Poland has taken another significant step in its military modernization efforts with the arrival of a new batch of 12 K2 Black Panther main battle tanks, MBTs, from South Korea. This latest shipment increases the total number of tanks delivered to 110 out of the initial order of 180, marking a crucial milestone in Poland's defense strategy. The ongoing procurement reflects the country's commitment to reinforcing its armored capabilities in response to evolving security challenges in the region. The news was officially announced on March 11, 2025, through the OneStar X account. The procurement of K2 tanks is part of a broader agreement signed on July 27, 2022, aimed at overhauling Poland's armored vehicle fleet. The country's ambitious defense expansion plan includes acquiring cutting-edge weaponry to replace outdated Soviet-era models. With the latest delivery, Poland moves closer to fulfilling its order, and discussions are already underway to potentially expand the K2 fleet to 1,000 units in the long term. This strategic partnership between Poland and South Korea underscores the strengthening of international defense collaborations and Poland's commitment to NATO's security framework. The K2 Black Panther represents a substantial upgrade compared to Poland's existing tank arsenal, which includes older Soviet-designed T-72 and PT-91 Torty models, as well as German-made Leopard 2A5 and 2A4 tanks. The K2 is armed with a state-of-the-art 120mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing advanced kinetic energy penetrators and programmable high-explosive shells, providing superior firepower. This places it ahead of the T-72 and PT-91, which use a less sophisticated 125mm gun with limited effectiveness against modern threats. In terms of protection, the K2 incorporates composite armor, advanced reactive armor modules, and an active protection system (APS) to counter incoming threats such as anti-tank missiles. While the Leopard 2A5 also boasts formidable defensive capabilities, the K2's integrated APS and next-generation armor provide enhanced survivability on the battlefield. Compared to the older T-72 and PT-91, which lack modern APS features, the K2 offers a significant improvement in battlefield resilience. Beyond firepower and protection, the K2 excels in mobility and adaptability. Equipped with a powerful engine and an advanced hydropneumatic suspension system, the tank can traverse difficult terrain with greater ease than its predecessors. Its digital fire control system and battlefield management technology ensure maximum operational effectiveness. While the Leopard 2A5 and 2A4 remain highly capable, the K2's superior sensors and stabilization technology provide a crucial edge in modern warfare scenarios. The continued acquisition of K2 Black Panther tanks aligns with Poland's broader defense objectives, which include modernizing its armed forces and expanding its rapid response capabilities. In addition to tanks, Poland has been actively procuring K9 Thunder self-propelled howitzers and Fa-50 fighter jets from South Korea, reinforcing its position as a key military power in Europe. The goal is not just to replace outdated equipment but to establish Poland as a formidable force capable of responding swiftly to potential threats. As deliveries of the K2 tanks progress, Poland is set to complete the integration of all 180 units within the next few years. Further negotiations to increase the total number of tanks to 1,000 underscore the nation's long-term commitment to military strength and regional security. With these advancements, Poland is positioning itself at the forefront of modern armored warfare, ensuring its armed forces remain a dominant force in the years to come.